Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, today's video I'm going to be working on a couple of Japanese quince. This one and I have another one to work on. So when I got these, it was all one plant, but the roots and the trunks on them were, as you can see by this one, they were just crazy like spaghetti when I got down into the root base. So I planted this one on a rock. And it's kind of doing really well, but it's sending out shoots everywhere, so I'm going to take out some of the shoots. I'm deciding whether to grow it as a clump style. That's what I was going to do. Let me get rid of this front one because this one's definitely going. Maybe I'll plant these as cuttings because I only actually have one of these. Well, a couple of them now because they're all from the one, but they're all from the one tree. So I don't want this one or this one either, I don't think. I don't want this weed. There's one at the back here we can get rid of. Now this one. Yes. Could leave it to strengthen that root up, but I don't need a root there. Maybe I don't even need it. I'll take it off. And because it's already got a bit of root on it, that might take some cutting as well. So another bit here growing on this root. Just nip that off. Well, that starts taking off as well. Okay, so now I'm basically left with 3 trunks. I'm not sure what I want to do. Do I want to get rid of the 2 of them and just grow as a tree with crazy roots coming off it? Or do I want to grow it as a clump style? Not even sure which is the front, to be honest. The only reason I was leaving them is because this trunk has nothing all the way up to the top there. And if I get rid of these, will it be very bare? But maybe we can get it to bud out. I definitely think we're going to get rid of this one. I'll take that one right back. Like that. So that's another cutting. And now it's whether to keep this one or not. Or just grow it as a single tree. Start thickening it up. There's a lot of energy going into all these shoots that could be going into the main tree. I think I will. I think I'm going to take it off, and I think I'm going to go with growing it as a tree rather than clumps down now. I can always change my mind because it will send out more shoots again if I decide no, I want to go back to clump style. I'm sure there'll be no problem. I'll just put a bit of sealant on them now so don't forget. So I have this piece of wire here pinning the whole thing down. I could probably take it off, but I'm not going to yet. I'm going to wait. It was lifting off as the roots were growing down, they were just pushing the whole tree, and it was actually like hovering above the rock. So that's just pinning it down. But I would say with this root now, it's probably held enough, but for the sake of it, we'll leave it for now. Okay, so if we are going to grow it as a single tree, we could ideally do is pig in the front. This view is not too bad. The rock looks well from this side. A lot of detail on the rock. Then a lot of detail on the rock on this side, maybe not as much. Tree wise, this kind of shows more of the roots, I think, this way. So maybe we'll have this the front, but it might change. Now we have got this branch off this tree at the back. This we could possibly graft that onto that trunk. That could be an idea. Yeah, that might be something for the future. I might decide to graft that on. You let it get a little bit stronger first. Okay, so let's have a look at the top. Spiders webs over. There's hundreds of little tiny spiders on my trees again this year, which to be honest I don't mind, because last year I had very little aphids, because I think the spiders were keeping them away. Okay, so this back branch here, let's take it back. I think we'll take it back. Let's take it back to here for now. This branch up here I think is getting a bit long. Yeah, take that back to there. Up on the top then, this one's kind of coming out. I think we need to get rid of that whole top. We want it to start branching out. We're going to take this one back as well. Take that one back to there. Yeah, so we have to make some decisions one day on it. Maybe even do a bit of manoeuvring of the trunks. Kind of liking this as my front, this one. If we was to turn the tree a bit that way, let's bring this branch around more to here, and that might help too. Let's put a bit of wire on that branch and just see if we can bring it around a little bit. Would it help? I'll use some heavy, not that heavy. Yeah. And this one. Just lock it up onto this branch here. Turns around the trunk. Yeah, I'd never seen roots on any tree like they were on this one when I got it first. It was crazy. The roots on it. Like spaghetti in the pot. Okay, so we can bring that round to there. That's a bit better. Alright, so I think we can go with that for now. Do we want to? This branch here, I'm wondering. I might take this branch off here. We've got this one behind it and they're crossing. So I might take this one off, leaving this one to grow. Just leave a little stub like that, and that one can grow out that way, and that'll be a bit better. We'll think about grafting that one on to the side of that one, or we could just grow it out was in front of that way. I don't think that does any good that way. I think it's better behind it. Otherwise, better. It's just a pity that that branch has nothing on it, that trunk. But we'll see. Maybe it'll grow something. We'll see how it goes. If not, we can always graft that one up. Okay, the rock and that itself got a lot of moss on it, but I think we'll leave that. That's all right. Could maybe do a bit of cleaning up of the roots down here. So even there, where the root is going into the ground, it's kind of doing a little twirl before it goes in. Does need a bit of weeding, but I'll do that afterwards. Get on to the other one now. Just have a quick look at that one, and then we'll come back and I'll weed this before I put it back out. Okay, so we'll put all our cuttings over there because I will plant them. Let's move that one out the way a minute. We'll bring up the next one. So again, this was all part of the one plant. So I'll have to separate it. So this is the other one. Again, you can see the roots and all the cobwebs. Roots, how they were so twisted. So I put it on here just to kind of mimic the dragon a bit. Where's my scissors? So again, we'll just take off some of these low ones covered in webs. So this one, I think we're going to kind of grow, try and get more of a rounder pad on the top, like a yeah, it's again, they don't seem to like to shoot out much. You cut them back and they just send another branch where you cut it off. So let's just take them back again and see. You can see there where I cut it the last time. I did a chop here and it just sent one shoot out again. But we'll keep chopping it and hopefully it'll eventually get more and more branching. Again, here is where I did my last chop there. I just sent out another branch. I think this side, this needs to be a little bit lower, so I'll take that one down to there. This one again, more or less back to where we chopped it the first time, and again here, chopped it here and just sent out one branch again. I'll take that a little lower again. And then the main trunk, that tip off. And basically that's where I did the last chop. That's basically where I'll go just below it this time. So that branch there is coming forward. Okay, so that's about it for that one. Not a lot to be done with that, just pull it back and hope that it sprouts a few more branches for me. And I got the dragon in a car boot sale for €5, so that was pretty good. He's getting a bit worn looking now, but that's probably better. He was bright red when I got him. Looks a bit better when it's a bit faded from the sun. Okay. So yeah, I'll plant these as cuttings. Maybe we can make a bit of a something forest or something out of them one day, or some more trees or something. We'll see. See if they grow straight or do they grow like the other trees and just send out all these twisty trunks and roots. Alright, so we'll leave it at that for this one. I'll do that. I was going to plant them now, but we'll do it off camera. I'll just plant them all probably in one pot, stick them in, see if they grow, and I'll give that one a weed before I put it out. So as always, thanks for watching, Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you can, and we'll see you on the next one.